Assalamu Alaikum. Today let's make Kaali Mirchi Ka Saalan. Bangalore style Kaali Mirchi Ka Saalan. Take 2 tomatoes, 1 small onion, coriander leaves 5 sticks, 1 spoon black pepper, 1 spoon cumin seeds, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. You can use only garlic pods. Grind all to form a paste. Stop mixer in between. Add a little water and grind it. Should become a fine paste. Now take a vessel, switch on stove. Add 5 tablespoon oil, let heat. Now add 1 sliced onion, few curry leaves, 4 dry red chilies cut in half. Saute for a few
ground
seconds.
paste masala.
Cook for 2 Add half spoon red chili powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1/4 spoon turmeric, half spoon salt. Mix all and cook for 2 minutes. Now add 1½ glass water and let it boil for 2 mts. Lower gas flame. Let simmer for 2 mts. Serve with white rice and fried bamboo maki or surmi maki or papad.